Welcome to Wheel Empire. Welcome back to Wheel Empire, the home of the world's most luxurious, futuristic, and extraordinary automobiles. Today, we are looking at one of the craziest Mercedes limousine concepts ever imagined. At first glance, it looks impossible. Its incredibly long body, futuristic front fascia, six-wheel design, and ultra-luxury appearance make it look more like a private jet on wheels than an ordinary luxury car. In today's video, we'll explore every single detail of this incredible limousine, from the aggressive exterior styling to the futuristic interior, advanced technology, luxury seating, lighting system, entertainment features, safety innovations, and everything hidden inside this masterpiece. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Step front exterior design. Let's start from the front. The massive Mercedes grille immediately grabs attention with its diamond pattern chrome finish. The oversized Mercedes-Benz logo proudly sits in the center, giving the limousine an unmistakable luxury identity. The front bumper features sharp aerodynamic lines designed to improve airflow while giving the car a futuristic appearance. The hood has smooth sculpted curves that enhance both elegance and aerodynamics. The front splitter adds a sporty touch while reducing air turbulence at higher speeds. Every angle of the front end screams luxury and exclusivity. Step LED headlights technology. Now moving toward the lighting system. The limousine features ultra-slim LED matrix headlights. These intelligent headlights automatically adjust brightness according to surrounding traffic. Adaptive cornering lights illuminate curves before the driver turns. Dynamic daytime running lights create an aggressive signature. Automatic high beam assist improves nighttime visibility without disturbing other drivers. The lighting system is designed for maximum safety while maintaining a futuristic design language. Step side profile. Now let's move to the side. This is where the limousine truly becomes unbelievable. Its stretched body creates an appearance longer than many buses. The extended wheelbase offers exceptional passenger space. Flush door handles remain hidden until unlocked, improving aerodynamics. The glossy black roof perfectly contrasts with the pearl white body. Large panoramic side windows provide passengers with breathtaking outside views. Every body panel flows smoothly from front to rear, creating a seamless luxury design. Step premium wheels and suspension. Looking below, we notice the massive alloy wheels. The large multi-spoke rims perfectly complement the limousine's premium character. Low-profile performance tires improve grip and stability. The advanced air suspension automatically adjusts ride height depending on road conditions. Electronic dampers absorb bumps almost instantly. Passengers experience an incredibly smooth ride, almost like floating above the road. Step rear multi-axle design. One of the most fascinating features is the multi-axle rear section. Instead of traditional two axles, this limousine uses multiple rear wheels to support its extraordinary length. This design increases stability. It improves weight distribution. It provides better balance during long-distance luxury travel. The extended chassis creates unmatched cabin space rarely seen in any automobile. Step smart doors opening. Now it's time to enter the limousine. The smart electric doors open automatically. Soft close technology gently seals each door without slamming. Wide door openings allow passengers to enter effortlessly. Hidden sensors detect nearby obstacles before opening. Illuminated door sills welcome passengers with premium lighting. Everything feels like entering a five-star luxury hotel. Step interior design. Once inside, the experience changes completely. The cabin is covered with premium leather. Soft touch materials surround every passenger. Real wood trim adds timeless elegance. Brushed aluminum accents enhance the futuristic atmosphere. Ambient lighting stretches throughout the cabin. Every surface feels handcrafted with incredible attention to detail. Noise insulation keeps the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Step luxury seating. The rear seats resemble first-class airline suites. Fully electric reclining seats offer multiple adjustment positions. Heating and ventilation provide year-round comfort. Memory functions instantly recall passenger preferences. Extendable leg rests increase relaxation during long journeys. Massage programs help reduce fatigue. Passengers enjoy exceptional comfort throughout every mile. Step panoramic roof. Above your head is a massive panoramic glass roof. The roof floods the cabin with natural light. Electrochromic technology allows passengers to adjust transparency with a single touch. UV protection reduces cabin heat. At night, passengers enjoy an incredible view of the sky. The panoramic roof makes the interior feel even larger. Step digital dashboard. The driver is welcomed by an advanced digital cockpit. A fully digital instrument cluster displays driving information in real time. Multiple display modes allow customization. A large central infotainment screen controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Voice recognition responds naturally to spoken commands. Wireless smartphone integration supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Everything is designed for convenience. Step rear executive lounge. Now let's move to the executive lounge. This area transforms the limousine into a luxury office. Passengers can hold business meetings while traveling. Fold-out work tables provide workspace. Wireless charging pads keep devices powered. Individual entertainment screens allow each passenger to enjoy personalized content. Premium sound insulation creates a peaceful working environment. Step entertainment technology. Entertainment is taken to another level. A premium surround sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. Multiple high-resolution displays stream movies and presentations. Bluetooth connectivity supports multiple devices. Wi-Fi hotspot capability keeps everyone connected. Rear passengers can independently control media and climate settings. Every journey becomes an unforgettable experience. Step climate control system. Comfort continues with advanced climate technology. Multi-zone automatic climate control allows different temperatures for every passenger. Air purification removes dust and allergens. Humidity control maintains cabin freshness. Fragrance diffusion creates a luxury atmosphere. Even on long trips, the cabin remains perfectly comfortable. Step advanced safety technology. Luxury means nothing without safety. The limousine includes multiple airbags throughout the cabin. 360-degree cameras assist parking. Blind spot monitoring increases awareness. Adaptive cruise control maintains safe following distances. Lane keeping assist helps prevent unintended lane departures. Automatic emergency braking reacts faster than human reflexes. Parking sensors provide complete visibility. These intelligent systems work together to protect every passenger. Step powertrain and performance concept. As a futuristic concept, this limousine could feature a fully electric powertrain. Instant electric torque delivers smooth acceleration. A large battery pack provides long driving range. Fast charging technology minimizes charging time. Near silent operation enhances passenger comfort. Regenerative braking improves efficiency while extending battery performance. This concept combines sustainability with ultimate luxury. Step final walkaround. As we complete our walkaround, it's clear this limousine represents more than transportation. It combines futuristic styling, luxury worthy of royalty, advanced technology, exceptional passenger comfort, intelligent safety systems, and breathtaking design. Whether used for celebrities, heads of state, luxury hotels, or exclusive VIP transportation, this incredible limousine would turn heads wherever it goes. It truly represents what the future of luxury mobility could look like. Outro, Wheel Empire. So, what do you think about this incredible Mercedes luxury limousine concept? Would you love to ride in a vehicle like this, or do you think it's simply too extravagant? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's luxury car showcase, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next amazing automotive video. Thank you for watching Wheel Empire. We'll see you in the next extraordinary automotive adventure.